I'm Beth Kemplin. I'm a lead care manager for the Enhanced Care Management Team of Nevada County Behavioral Health. I'm the newest member of the team. I've been here for 6 months. I previously owned a daycare for 4 years. Before that, I worked in pediatric behavioral health at Victor Services, just the highest level of community care for kids in our county. Before that, I worked places like, it's Granite Wellness now. It was NCSA 20 years ago, which is where, and Community Beyond Violence was Domestic Violence and Sexual Assault Coalition. I worked there too. And when I read this job description, I ran to my husband and I said, "Look, they made me a job." He's like, "Oh my gosh, did they write that for you?" And I was like, "I think so." And that's how I feel about working here. So, like, it was made for me. Yeah, it is different every day. I'll have appointments where, I take people to Social Security, help them get their vital documents. A lot of times we have just outreach come in from Spirit Center. If we're having a slow day, those are the days I love because we get to go out to the, camps and try and find people and see how we can support them. But every day is super different. You never really know what's going to happen. Mental health in general has high turnover. Folks hang out in the same job for like a couple of years and bounce around because it's a rough show. And even if you're always working in behavioral health, but this team has been together for years. First, they were working together at a hospitality house, and then here, so it's a really solid team, and I just feel super lucky to be a part of it. I have this unique perspective as someone who has a lot of lived experience. In my teens and 20s, I was unaccompanied youth, a runaway. I was by myself from the age of 15 on. I have experienced many of the challenges that our folks experience on a daily basis. I just feel like I get to bring that to people and let them know that I really understand where they are, and I know that there's a path, and we can find it together. And there's just something beautiful about being shoulder to shoulder with somebody as opposed to across the desk from somebody that just feels like magic.